Hey guys, it's your science helper, Miss Sam. In today's lesson, we're going to imagine a world where there are no more garbage collectors. What would happen to the trash that was in your house? What would happen to your neighborhood and the environment? Think about what your everyday life would be like. Where would you put your trash? How would your neighborhood smell? What could you do to try to help? How would the trash affect the neighborhood animals? I wonder if people would try to combat the problem on their own? And if they did, I wonder what they would do. Today, we're going to build a miniature watershed to demonstrate how pollution does not only affect the place it starts, but instead can travel long distances and affect large areas. We're going to use this to create our very own watershed. The aluminum foil will form topography that will represent mountains, hills, lakes, valleys, and more. So, if you also look down here, what I have is some crumpled paper. And when I put our aluminum foil over top, that's going to help form our topography. So, I'm just going to place this kind of on top, and I'm going to kind of help create those valleys and mountains. All right, so as you can see, there are different hills and valleys, and that's going to kind of form our topography. Next, I'm going to use this blue food coloring, and this is going to represent pollution. So I'm going to put some pollution in a few different places. This could also represent the trash that some people may leave behind. So we'll put some there. We'll put some at the top here. And let's go ahead and do it right here as well. So what do you guys predict will happen when it rains? Well, this water is going to represent rain or precipitation. Let's see where this pollution may go after it rains. As you can see, even with just a few squirts, the pollution is starting to run off. So, as you can see, where the pollution started, which was here, there, there, and there, it is not there anymore. Or there's some here, but it has also traveled to other places. So that's what happens when you have pollution, like trash and other things, and when it rains, it will travel. After seeing the way that pollution moved throughout our mini watershed, that would be a lot of garbage that would be picked up and moved if there were no more trash collectors. Where do you think it would all go? Pollution can spread through a watershed in many different ways. Rain and stormwater helps to move the pollution as runoff on land, then it can move easily once it's in the water from streams to the Chesapeake Bay. We can talk more about that next time. Until then, bye!